Next problem, if integration 0 to infinity sin x by x whole cube dx is given a, and 0 to infinity x minus sin x divided by x cube dx is given a into capital A divided by b, where a and b are relatively prime number, then find the values of a plus b. That means we have to integrate this one in terms of capital A. So what we will do, I equals to 0 to infinity x minus sin x divided by x cube into dx. Here we will replace x with what? 3t. So we can use sin 3t formula. So dx equals to what will become? 3 into dt. So I will become what? If x is 0, so t will come as 0. If x is infinity, so t also will come infinity. This will come 3t minus sine of 3t divided by 27 t cube into 3 dt. So what we can do here, this is cancel, this will come 9. So 1 by 9 we can take outside, in bracket 0 to infinity 3t minus sine 3t we can do as 3 sine t minus 4 sine cube t divided by t cube into dt. This equals to, we can write as 1 by 9 0 to infinity 3 bracket t minus sine t minus minus will come plus 4 sine cube t divided by t cube into dt. Now what we can do here we can replace t with what? X. So there is no change. So only we have to write in terms of t, we have to replace with x. So I will become what? 1 by 9 integration 0 to infinity. First we will replace t, we have to write in terms of x, and we will do separator also. So this will become 3 x minus sine x divided by x cube into dx plus 4 outside 0 to infinity. This also we can add as sine cube x divided by x cube into dx. So I equals to what will become 1 by 9. This x minus sine x divided by x cube nothing but 3 into I plus this will become what? 4 into I. Sorry, 4 into a. We know a is nothing but what? 0 to infinity sine cube x divided by x cube into dx. So 9i equals to 3i plus 4a. So 9i, this will come what? 6i equals to 4a. So I equals to what will come? 2 by 3a. So a is equals to 2, b equals to 3, and a plus b is equals to what will come? 2 plus 3, that is nothing but 5. This is your answer. Next problem is, if integration x to xy ft dt is independent of x and f of 2 is equals to 2, then find integration 1 to x ft dt is equal to. So what we'll do, I equals to integration x to xy f of t into dt. We know this I is independent of x, that means di by dx should become 0. So we will differentiate this one with respect to x. So di by dx, this is integration, so we will use Leibniz formula. So what we will do, instead of t we will write xy, then xy differentiation, y is outside, x differentiation 1 minus, we will put t equals to what? Lower limit is what? X, and lower limit differentiation is 1 is equals to 0. So from here we can say f of x equals to nothing but what? Y into f of xy. Now in this one we will replace y with what? 2 by x. So what will come? Fx equals to 2 by x into f of x into 2 by x. So x is getting cancelled. This will come 2 by x into f of 2. So this will come 2 by x. F of 2 is nothing but what? 2. So into 2. So this will come 4 by x. Now this integration is nothing but what? 1 to x. F of t is nothing but what? F of t is nothing but 4 by t dt. From here we can say fx is nothing but what? 4 by x. So 4 by t dt. So this will become what? 4 outside ln t modulus of t bracket 1 to x. So 4 outside, upper limit here is ln x modulus minus ln 1 is what? 0. So what will become 4 times of ln modulus of x. So this answer is D. Next problem, a function fx satisfy fx equals to f of c by x for some real number c is greater than 1 and for all x greater than 0. If integration 1 to root c fx by x dx is equals to 3, then find the values of 1 to c fx by x into dx. So what we'll do, given is what, 1 to root c fx by x into dx is equals to 3. Here we will replace x with c by t. So dx equals to what will come? Minus c by t square dt. So t equals to what you can write? C by x. When x is equals to 1, then t equals to what will come? C. When x is equals to root c, then t equals to what will come? Root c. So this integration will become what? C to root c. F of x we can write as what? C by t divided by x we can write as c by t, dx we can write as what? Minus c by t square dt is equals to 3. Now we can write this one as c to root c. We know f of c by t is nothing but what? F of t. It is given. So this we can write as what? F of t. 1c, so 1c cancel, 1t to t cancel, divided by what become t minus dt is equals to 3. Now we can replace t with what? X. So this will be what? C to root c, limit will remain same only, f of x divided by x minus you can take out the dx equals to 3. So minus of this we can break, c2 we can take as 1 fx by x into dx plus 1 to root c fx by x into dx is equals to 3, and this value is given what? 3. So integration become what? Minus of c to 1 fx by x dx minus this value we write 3 is equals to 3. If I take minus, so limit will change. So this we can write 1 to c fx by x dx is equals to what? 6. This is your answer. Next problem, the values of integration minus pi to pi 1 plus cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 2013x into 1 plus sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 2013x into dx. We know this function is what? Odd, even function. So this we can assume as fx, and this is, we know sin x is odd function. So what we will do here, we will multiply with what? Minus pi to pi fx into 1 plus fx into sin x plus fx into sin 2x plus dot 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 plus f of fx into sin of 2013 x into dx. Now we know that integration minus over to a fx into dx is nothing but what? 2 times 0 to a fx dx if fx is even, 0 if fx is odd. Correct this one. So what we will say, fx is what? This is even into odd. So this will be completely what? Odd. Similarly, this is also will come as odd only, and this will also will come as odd only. That means this integration minus pi to pi, this will become 0, and this is even, so this will become 2 times. So this integration will become what? 2 times 0 to pi fx into dx. Other will become what? 0. So 2 times 0 to pi fx is nothing but 1 plus cos x plus cos 2x plus dot 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 plus cos 2013 x into dx. Now we will integrate this one. 2 times this will come what? X, cos x is what? Sin x plus sin x by sin 2x by 2 plus dot 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 plus sin 2013x divided by 2013, 0 to pi. If I put 2, this will come what? Pi plus this all will become what? 0 minus, if I put 0, so all will become 0. So what is the answer? 2 pi. This is your answer. Next problem is, the graph of fx is given x square plus ax plus b intersect the x-axis at two distinct points a and b and y-axis at c. then the center of triangle ABC lies on the line y equals to x. If I equals to 0 to 6 fx dx, then the values of I cannot be. So this is what y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is your curve. This point is A, this point is B, and this is C. C point we can write as 0 comma B, A point we can write as alpha comma 0, and this we can write as beta comma 0. Now this triangle we can write as what? ABC. Centroid lies on y equals to x. So this point is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta divided by 3 and b by 3. So alpha beta roots of this equation. So alpha plus beta is given minus a. So centroid will become what? Minus a by 3 comma b by 3. Now centroid lie on y equals to x. So what will come? B by 3 equals to what? Minus a by 3. So b equals to what? Minus a. Now quadratic equation fx will become what? X square plus ax minus a. Now this equation have two roots, so d should be what? Greater than 0, otherwise it will not form triangle. So if we want triangle, so that means a and b two should be different, so d should be greater than 0. So b square is what? A square minus 4, a is what? 1, c is what? Minus a, should be greater than 0. So a is outside, a minus 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 become what? Plus 4 greater than 0. So this will come what? Minus 4, this will come 0, plus minus plus. So a belongs to minus infinity to minus 4 union 0 to infinity, or we can say a should not belongs to what? Closed interval minus 4 to 0. So what we will do now? We will do integration. I equals to integration 0 to 6 fx is what? X square plus ax minus a into dx. After simplification we got a does not belongs to minus 4 to 0. Then we have to find out I cannot be possible. So first we'll do integration. I equals to integration of x square is what? X cube by 3 plus a x difference integration what? X square by 2 minus ax limit 0 to 6. If I put 6 cube divided by 3 plus 6 square a by 2 minus 6a minus 0. If I put 0, you'll get 0. So I equals to 6 cube divided by 3, that is 216 divided by 3 plus this is 36 divided by 2 is what? 18a minus 6a. I equals to 216 divided by 3 is nothing but 72 plus 12a. We know a does not lie between minus 4 to 0. Then we will multiply the 12a. So 12a does not lie between minus 48 to 0. Now if I add 72 plus 12a does not belongs to 72 minus 48 comma 72. So this is 72 plus 12a is what? I does not belongs to 72 minus 48 is nothing but 24 to 72. So I does not belongs to 24 to 72. So between 24 to 72 50 will lie. So 50 is the your answer. Other value is possible.